How to delete your account on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your account on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here at the bottom you will see various icons. Click on that Me icon at the right bottom. After clicking on this Me icon, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see Settings option. Click on the Setting, and within Settings, here click on Account Security at the top. You will reach to this interface. Here at the bottom you will see WeChat Security Center. Click on it and you will find three different options here. Click on Safety Tools, and at the end you will find Account Cancellation option. Click on this and you will reach to this page. Here scroll down, and at the very end you will have to first read and accept the important notice. Click on it to accept, and then click on this Request Cancellation option. Wait for a while and your account cancellation has been verified. Once you have deleted your account and contacts, you won't be able to recover them. All your group chats, posts and favorites and data on it will be permanently deleted. Now click on Next button if you agree that. Here again scroll down and read the terms. After that, click on this Agree and Confirm Cancellation. Now WeChat team will process your request and delete your data within 15 days. You should not log into your WeChat via account during this period if you want your cancellation to be successful. So in this way you can delete your WeChat account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.